Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, October 19th. We continue with the reflections based on Mark Nepo's Book of Awakening. Today's essay is titled Buddha and Angulimala. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with a quote from the Buddha. I have stopped. You have not. There is a story of how, just before he was hung, Angulimala the murderer became an arahant, or worthy one, because of his encounter with Buddha. Angulimala had seemingly been so driven from his own life that he was taking the lives of others. Perhaps it was timing, the readiness of a man about to die confronted with the unwavering presence of an authentic spirit. No one will ever know. But it is said that the two, Buddha and Angulimala, stood before each other for a very long time. And when the silence seemed to part some veil from Angulimala's eyes, Buddha said to him, I have stopped. You have not stopped. This was followed by an equally telling silence, after which the fortress of cruelty that Angulimala had built around his heart crumbled. It is said that though Angulimala was hung with a rope made from the finger bones of his victims, in the moment between Buddha's words and his own last breath, Angulimala truly lived. Of course, such a story is a penetrating riddle. What had this man not stopped that enabled him to murder? And what had Buddha stopped that enabled him to be enlightened? Though we will never know, we can suggest that the thing not stopped might be any form of running from the risk and pain of being alive, such as denial, hiding, projection. For any form of running from the truth of ourselves can lead to such a numb existence that one can become violent in order to feel. If we don't stop running, we can murder ourselves again and again by taking the lives of others, either physically through violence, or sexually through conquest, or emotionally through dominance and control, or even professionally through power. Ultimately, however, no matter what you do with this riddle, we are both Buddha and Angulimala. And we repeatedly need to have this conversation with ourselves in order to stay compassionate and real. Now take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft, remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix about this moment. Everything is already good enough, just the way it is. See if this reminder allows you to enter some spaciousness, some freedom, a space in which all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Recenter yourself for a moment, and with your next in-breath, let the Buddha in you say, I have stopped. Breathe deeply, and with your out-breath, let the Angulimala in you say, I have not stopped. Do it a few times, allowing the Buddha in you say, I have stopped. And the Angulimala in you say, I have not stopped. And see if anything bubbles up to the surface. What have you stopped? What haven't you stopped? And even if you cannot name those things, something in you touches it as you speak those words to yourself. So simply trust the process. Now inhale slowly and evenly. And even if you are not sure how, vow to enter your day with a commitment to stop running from the truth of your life, from the truth of yourself. Now place your hands on your heart, and as always, send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to follow your commitment to stop running from the truth of your life, whatever that means to you. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.